To the GSM interfacing and the Mobaxterm settings, I'm going to tell everything one by one. So let's see the interfacing first. So here we are having our GSM model, and since I didn't have any AC to DC adapter, so I have soldered this to backside of this GSM, and I have connected it with my mobile adapter. As you can see, it is connected to the mobile adapter, and this is the SIM, one GSM SIM which we are using, and there is 3 input in this GSM which we need to give. One is RxD, one is CXD, another one is ground. And so coming to the Raspberry Pi, the RxD and TXD ports are number 4 and 5. As you can see from right side, if you count, if we take these two lines as left and right, then from right side the pin number 1 2 3 4 4 is TXD and 5 is RxD. So this TXD should be connected to the RxD of the GSM, and RxD should be connected to the TXD. As you can see, this TXD is directly connected to RxD of the GSM, and this RxD is not directly connected, but it is connected with a voltage of 3.3 plus input, and with a diode in between, and the output is from here. As you can see, this is the connection. So we are giving 3.3 volt with one resistance and with the input and with one diode, so that there is no reverse bias current from the GSM. Okay, so as you can see, and we have connected it here to the TXD port, and the ground can be connected to any port of the Raspberry Pi. So coming to the Mobaxterm settings which we need to do for GSM to make it work, we are using one PicoCom, which is and serial port TTYSO. So we need to do the setting for those. So the user login is Pi and the password is Raspberry Pi. So first of all, let me show you the serial ports. So okay, no, cd.dev, seriously. Okay, cd, okay, ls -l to see all the files. So as you can see, the serial ports. So we are having serial 1 and serial 0. So but initially you will not have that serial 0 TTYSO, so it will be disabled. To enable it, we have to run the following code. We have to sudo, so we have to go to sudo and change the configuration file, sudo nano boot config.txt. so sudo nano boot config.txt. okay, so we have to go to the bottom of this file, and we have to write one code, that enable UART is equal to 1, and then we have to press control. Okay, so exit control X, I guess. Yeah, control X. It will give an option of saving, so you have to press Y, and after that you will come here. And the next step is to install PicoCom, which is a PPT connection terminal. So to install PicoCom, we have to just write sudo apt get install PicoCom. Okay, so I've written it wrongly. Sudo apt get install PicoCom. Okay, so as I have already installed, so it's showing it's already the newest version. So if you have installed this PicoCom, so to install this you have to be connected to your internet. Your laptop should be connected to any Wi-Fi connection, should have any connection, okay, internet connection. So after that, to run this we have to run PicoCom. We have to type the following code: PicoCom BAUD, okay, sorry, 9600 DAV with the serial port TTY S0, okay, capital S and 0. So as you can see, the terminal is ready. So you can check whether all the connections are, to check whether if all the interfacing connections are correct, just press 80 and press enter, write 80 and capital 80 and then enter. So as you can see, I'm getting error, so my connections are not correct. So maybe there's some connection problem. Okay, I'll just start this. Okay, to check if the network is there, this blinking of this light will be somewhat it will blink very fastly if there is connection. So right now I think there's no connection. Yeah, okay, now it's working. As you can see, it's blinking very fastly. So okay, yeah, if it's rebooting, then there will be some message like this, so you don't need to worry about that. So to exit this, you have to press Control AQ. Okay, then so I'll run it again. PicoCom TTY S0. Okay, open the VTT.